Hi everybody. People with skins here, and I saw my haircut. I ready to put some music. And guess where we are? San Jose. Boom. What happened to the music?
Oh God. Reset the video.
¡Vamos! Llegamos. Sí, ahí está la Walmart, cariño. ¿Tú qué quieres ir? ¿Dónde, cabrón? Hasta acá.
So, play this song.
¿Qué quieres ir a la Walmart?
Communicate more. Alright. Again. Stop, bro. I'm recording.
Are we here? Are we here? Yeah, me! I'm hungry! Chuck E. Cheese, I want to take a photo of this!
Oh, I'll be right back.